That's the way every day goes. Every time we've no control. If the sky is big and wide, if the ground is black and yellow, it's the same way you showed me.
Need to go get their wig split.
Hey, yo, Jay, turn it up.
Currently it's 5 o'clock on the dot. I'm headed back to the crib right now. I'm about to go change clothes so we can go to the tree lighting ceremony. And I was supposed to go with a couple people, but some things came up, so I'm gonna be going by myself. So yeah. Welcome to the life of a vlogger. You're gonna have to do stuff by yourself, and that's absolutely okay. But you know what I'm saying, that hair look good, so I gotta make sure I put on some good clothes because I'm finna go downtown Atlanta. Cool. Alright. I finally made it downtown. I then I realized I was walking the wrong way. Had to go change clothes real quick. Like, I got on something real slight, put on something comfortable and something warm. And I got a hood in my pocket. I keep that hood in the trunk. My hood in the trunk. Oh, that's tough, dude. Y'all know I be hungry, so I gotta get something to drink, man. I meant something to eat. See that how I know I'm too hungry. I ain't ate since this morning.
Holidays kick off the season. Are you excited to light this tree? Yeah. See where it is? Point to where that.
Hello. Can I get a hot chocolate, sir?
Hot chocolate.
Alright. It's finna rain. I feel it coming. You know I'm chocolate. So I gotta get up out of here before I melt in this rain. But I gotta take a leak first. It's 8 o'clock on the dot. It was from 6 to 8. Like, that was it. 2 hour event. Done. Overall, that really was better than expected. I'm just saying, I see why people be raw vlogging, people who vlog a lot, because there's a lot of editing that go into these vlogs, if you don't know. But yeah, I didn't know it was going to end like that. Super cool. I just went. Had a good time though. Now we back outside. Actually, let me put this up so y'all can actually see what's going on around me. Let me wait till they finish. I don't even know no photo. I don't photobomb people. But they actually, the angle I got my camera at right now, bro, this is perfect. That's why you should get that camera in your hand and just vlog more people. And you gotta go out, you gotta see the city. You know what I'm saying? Everybody get out of your city and go downtown and just walk into some random ass building and see what's going on. I challenge everybody to do that. I just cracked my phone, bro. 6. I'm pretty sure I could film a whole like little sketch. Like I'm talking about like 10-15 minute long or short film inside the elevator. I'm pretty sure I could do that, bro. Gotta gas up. Well, actually not. Everybody that be vlogging, when you, it's a whole tire just sitting in the fucking parking lot of there. When you hold this camera, bro, you gotta be fearless. You gotta be fearless when you hold this camera. The gas says steep hill. If y'all look closer, y'all can see that tire behind me, bro. Like, it's a whole ass tire just sitting out here, bro. That's fucking wild, bro. You ever pump gas with the car crunk up? I just did that. I'm down. Alright. Back at the crib. Back at the crib University. I gotta go down south tomorrow, so I'm finna try to get some sleep. Right now the time is 9:07, and this has been a day in the life with Daryl Vlogs, baby. Road to 5K. We gonna get there.